Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to stop ads on Android phone while using the phone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open your phone settings. On the settings, scroll down and then click on apps. Scroll down the apps page, then locate the application you can identify. Then once you find the application, go ahead and then click on it. Once you click on it, locate the uninstall button and then select it. Go ahead and click on OK to remove the application from your phone. This may be because you download and install app you do not know much about, or you grant permission for this application on your phone without knowing. And again, another thing you want to do is you want to scan for malicious or suspicious application on your phone. To do this, go ahead and open the Play Store application on your phone. Click on the profile button at top right. Click on Play Protect. Then go ahead and click on Scan. This will help you to scan for any suspicious app on your phone, and if there is any, you'll be prompted to delete or uninstall the application. And if you do this, you should be able to stop any ads on your phone while using it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.